Owners often look at the guy turning 80 hours as the biggest asset to the business. I'm going to tell you right now, I have learned my lesson. The guy flagging 80 hours a week consistently is my biggest liability. Now look, I'm not going to say that if a guy flags 80 hours every once in a while, that there's a problem with that. I'm just telling you, after years and years and years of experience, right, going on 20 years doing this now, that if someone is flagging 80 hours consistently, week after week, and I'm not talking about the dealership environment, I'm talking about the independent environment. If they're flagging numbers like that, you better hold on to your britches because the comebacks are coming, baby. I guarantee you, a ton of the work that technician does will eventually come back. And here's the thing that I'll tell you as a shop owner that I have learned the hard way. If you let them get their own comebacks, it's always going to be someone else's fault. It's always going to be a different problem. So look, I get that we all want high producers in our businesses, but I would much rather have a guy who steadily and consistently produces 40 hours a week every single week, sometimes a little under, sometimes a little over, as I would one that produces 80 hours every week. Because it's never failed as of yet that a guy that's producing big hours like that I don't have to step in and clean up the mess. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you think it's true? Or are you a super technician who can fix anything, everything, and still turn 100 hours a week every single week? Drop it in the comments down below.